Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today we're gonna do an unboxing about something I'm very excited. It's been like 2 months when she announced it, like Cinco de Mayo, she gonna launch her 10 years collection. I was so excited to have it because first of all, I want the train case. This is the must, I wanna have it, and the brushes and everything like that. So I'm gonna give you a reveal about everything of that. So do you like this inspiration about Kat Von D? Ooh, let me make a pose for you. I'm so white, but this one is like on purpose because she's white, you know what I mean, and I wanna be like that, but totally is the light can change everything. Oh my god, I really like it. I really like my lashes. Yeah, girl. So let's do it like that. So I'm gonna do the 10-year anniversary collection of Kat Von D because she started like in 2008 and we are in 2018. Oh my god, so keeping watching if you wanna see the whole collection. Okay. So she make 8 items. Let me read a little bit here. So the first of all is the eyeshadow palette, and the second one is a Metal Crush extreme highlighter, sorry, and a Stunning Kiss cream lipstick, Everlasting Glimmer Veil, the Tattoo liner, the most popular, she have it on her collection, Kat Von D Beauty, brush collection, and train case. Oh my god, I dying for this train case, like that's why I wanna show you everything. They have a collection vault, so it's everything. This one, it just can be on her website and Kat Von D Beauty, because in Sephora they don't have nothing of that, just all the 7 I just told you. But it's totally worth it because it's all gold. That was the inspiration, you see, all gold. And these lashes, I'm still speechless about that. So what do you think about this makeup? Oh la la, so gorgeous. And this eyebrow, it's true, girl, it's true. And this eyebrow is the 24 hours super brown long wear pomade, and this shade is aubergine. It's a deep plum. It's by Kat Von D as well. They have a lot of color, yellow, bleaching, I don't know, like blue. Oh my god, they have so much. And this one, just like this one I don't have it, so I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna buy it. And then aubergine is on point. I really like it, this eyebrow. Ooh. And all what I have on my face is Kat Von D. The foundation look-it is neutral 64, and the contouring always everything I have, like you see, except the stars one here, but all what I have is Kat Von D. This inspiration is for you, my dear Kat Von D. Say hi, by the way, if you're watching this video. So first of all, I wear it so badly, and I'm gonna do a comparison about the brushes collection. So let's start it with that. So I buy, oh my god, the brush collection is like this. Oh, this highlight, do you see the highlight here? Like wait a second, this highlight here. Oh yes, bitch, yeah. Oh yes. Holographic, come through. So this is the 5 brushes, and this one they have all here what they say, but this one is, you know that, like it's the same brushes they have it Kat Von D, but limited edition, and is gold packaging. Everything is gold and everything is limited edition. So if you wanna buy something from Kat Von D for the 10th year anniversary collection, you should get it. The train case was sold out like this, like oh my god, and the bundle, all the kit was sold out like this. I think that was the most popular, the train case and all the bundle. The rest they have it on stock, but the train case, like whew, I didn't see it. Thank god I just like buy it because they was so messed up with the application of Sephora. Like sometimes they put it, sometimes they don't put it, I don't know. I'm just like, oh, I just wake up at 3 in the morning like for see if they launched it already or if they put it on their website and nothing came out. Like I just like, oh my god, I just wake up so early to have this collection and nadita, nada. After that, I just refresh, and then at 8 o'clock, it's just like everything put it. I just, oh my god, so I just buy everything like I want, and then voila, the trinket is sold out definitely. Thank God, if you have it, like, you're so lucky. So let's open like this, and I'm gonna do a comparison with those one and the original one, because those brush is one of my favorite brushes ever because it's so soft, and I wash it like so many times and the shape is still there. Synthetic brush is so soft every time when I apply it. I always apply it on my client and they're very like, oh, paper cut. Oh, mierda. Oh, paper cut. Thank you so much. So it looks like this. Totally the same brushes. Totally the same. Let's compare. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, but I like so much. This is so flawless, so fancy. The gold packaging, that's why I love it so much. Everything is gold, like, oh, I'm dying for. So this one is the original and this one is the limited edition. You see, kind is the both same. It's the same thing. So that's not, oh, maybe this one's more soft than this one. Maybe because it's new. This one's look like more soft than this one. But it's still the same quality. It's a little bit heavy. Nah, the same. It's not so much different. Let's see the other one. I think the brush is totally the same. It's just the packaging change. Yeah, it's totally the same. For be real, the brushes of Kat Von D, I use it when I have contract or with my clients, because before I used this, but now I have the artist brushes, so I use the artist brushes than this one. So this one is gonna be for my clients. So for the brushes, 2 thumbs up. I'm not disappointed about that. Thank Kat Von D for this beautiful collection. So the second one, oh my god, this one I was excited as because it's right here. It's so big, and this one is Fur and Press. So let's do it like this. Oh, oops, this is in the back. So this one is the train case. Oh my god. Kat Von D 10-year anniversary. And what they say on the bottom? Yeah, 10-year anniversary chain case. Mallette 10e anniversaire for French. But look at it. Ooh. It's a big box, by the way. Like, come on, come through. Thank you, Kat Von D. That's what I'm talking about. So let's open like this. It's gonna be first time press. I didn't open. I just received it on mail because I ordered the Cinco de Mayo, and then it's come right now, the Monday. So it's take me 2 days of shipping. That's totally great. Via Rouge. The shipping is so faster. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I'm so excited, and yes. Thank God I have it, because I'm not disappointed. Look at it, what it look like. Kat Von D, she do it all exactly everything on this train case. They take some months, but oh my god, oh, this highlight through. Ole como va. Oh my god, this girl like, oh my god. Okay, let's open. Alright, okay. Oh my god. So bougie. I really love it. I really love it. Oh my god. This is gonna be my new baby. ¿Cómo estás usted? Oh my god. This girl, I'm gonna call her Imelda. Imelda, how are you? I don't know why I find this name, but when I see you, Imelda. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh, the flowers. Oh wow. It's very like dry. Oh, I don't have her signature here because I buy it at Sephora, so I don't have the signature of Kat Von D. But if you are like the 400 people who order it on her website, maybe you're gonna have her signatures. And this one, why I buy a train case, is for my contract. When I wanna go, I just gonna take this and let's go. Let's do this makeup on. Oh my god, you see this one, Kat Von D. So let's open. Oh my, I really oh my god, let's open. So this is what it look like on mirror. Oh, I see. You see me, bitches? You see me on the mirror? Oh, so this come like this. They have some stars here. Oh my god, it feel like velvet. It is red. It is open like this. Yes, they have a lot of space, but if you have a lot of makeup, oh, they have a keys. Yeah, they have a keys. Are you proud to be on my collection of makeup, Emilda? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I really like it, and it's not feel cheap at all. That's what I like it. Oh my god, look the corner. It's amazing. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so like speechless because it's totally worth it. I really like it. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, I have it. This, if you have one, you're so lucky and very proud of you, because this one is gonna be sold out. It's already sold out, but of course with this I knew it. Like, that was the first thing when I see it. I should buy it, and I have it. Thank you so much, Kat Von D, for make a train case so beautiful, so iconic, so different as well. Like, so next one, well, I didn't buy the eyeshadow, I didn't buy the highlighter, the lipstick as well, because for me the brushes and the train case was a must. And then after that, I just can swipe, and if I like it, I'm gonna like it. But totally, what I really love about this collection is the train case. Totally, if you have the opportunity, or if she restock it, just buy the train case. It's very worth it. If you like Kat Von D, totally buy everything, or just buy the train case. But train case, please, focusing about this beautiful stuff. Oh my god, I'm still in love with that. Ay, Dios mío. So this is all what I bought for the collection of the 10-year anniversary collection by Kat Von D, and thank you. I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy with that. Oh my god, I still like can't believe Imelda is with me now. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and keep in mind, we are the stars of our life, and see you every Thursday for a new video. Imelda? Oh, you're so gorgeous, Imelda. Bye guys, and this highlighter is through. Ooh.